Hey Alexa, it's Kelsey. I was just thinking that it's been forever since we played together, and guess what? I'm finally heading back to Türkiye. I know we always said we wanted to explore the country together and to see all those places we never got to see when we were playing, so give me a call, let's link up.
The symbol of Cappadocia is its hot air balloons, dating back to the 1960s when French balloonists visited the region and were hypnotized by the unique rock formations. Now, a whole fleet floats through the sky at dawn each day.
I think with the light and all the colors, it could really be another wonder of the world.
Hey, wait for me!
We've made it to Cappadocia. The early start time was definitely something to adjust to, but I always feel like sunrise is worth it.
I think you always see online people are going up in the balloons, but actually being on the ground, the balloons from below, I think it's just as beautiful. It's been amazing.
Also, the bikes were super fun.
They were.
I definitely was faster than you, and
I let you win.
you had a lot of dust in your face. You good? You good one? What are you excited to do for the rest of our trip in Cappadocia?
I mean, I think I've been only talking about the food while we were here in Türkiye.
If there's one thing I can tell you as a pro athlete, it's that nothing makes me hungry like an early morning workout. But if we're gonna refuel, we're gonna need the best ingredients.
Merhaba. How are you, Serpil?
Alexa.
Serpil, nice to meet you. Today we will cook like locals, but before, let's see where the locals get the ingredients from.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
He wants to make you taste it.
Oh wow, that's actually really, really good. So which ingredients will we cook with today?
We can start with the zucchini and the eggplants. Now we can go and cook.
That sounds great. Turkish food was one of the best parts of living here, and Cappadocia is the home of traditional dishes I've eaten so often, but have no idea how they're made. We're meeting up with Nuray Bakal, who's been cooking since she could walk, to show us how it's done.
We will do some stuffed vegetables.
Ooh, yum.
But what will make it special that we will be cooking in the Cappadocian pots.
Okay. Mine
has a
like
hole.
a 10-year-old came in and just...
A little bit more, she says.
Okay.
How's this one?
Oh, okay. Güzel. Ayla.
Perfect.
Goodness gracious.
We'll put a little guy in here.
This will be sarma, which means
Okay.
rolling.
Making them makes me appreciate them.
I'm gonna get it. You see, it's all about how you start, not how you finish.
Look what I did, Kels.
Tamam. Okay.
Ablacığım.
Voila!
Bravo.
Bravo.
Delicious.
Yeah. Wow. It's almost like too pretty to eat. However, it will not stop. This is so good. After all that food, we want to get back on our feet. Alexa and I first bonded over our love of travel photography, and Cappadocia is like nowhere else on earth. Everywhere you look, there's a story carved in stone. We're meeting up with local photographer Sammy to capture it through a new lens.
The volcanic mountain in Kayseri erupted, and then over time, the winds, the water, the erosion created all of this. So the soft parts washed away, and then the hard parts stayed.
For me, it's really fun to shoot in historical places. It's one thing to come and visit and pass through and do the tours, but to imagine yourself thousands and thousands of years ago, the photo really helps you to be in it.
These churches are from the 11th century.
I've never seen anything like it. It's amazing how the colors have stayed for this long.
Yeah.
It's vibrant and bright. It's really beautiful.
It's all hand painted. It's a special dye, that's why it lasted so long.
Stunning. I just am super inspired by historical places. I think that's one of the things we've bonded on as athletes is our love of photography.
Come down like half a step. It's just nice to slow down and kind of be creative.
Yeah, like even that is cute.
No, it's actually...
Wait, Sammy, that's pretty good.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, walk.
Oh, I love it. I love a blur. Whoa!
You go like this?
Yeah,
And then I'll just shoot from there.
yeah. The bag is literally a hazard. I love it.
The colors are beautiful. This has been super inspiring.
I'm glad you had a good experience. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of your trip in Türkiye.
Thank you. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Bye-bye.
We've captured so many memories here, but our journey's not over yet. The town of Avanos is world-renowned for its pottery because of the mineral-rich red clay of the river that runs by it.
Ladies, nice to see you again. Let me introduce you our master potter Şegali.
Alexa.
It's a tradition that's lasted for centuries, the volcanic sediment in the rock giving the pieces a unique color and quality.
To make a piece like this needs like at least 10 years experience.
Wow. Last time I came here, we ended up buying one of these decanters.
Oh, really?
But I never saw how it was made. I never understood the history of it, and I think just watching him make that gives me so much more appreciation.
Kızlar, siz de denemek ister misiniz?
Do you want to try?
Of course.
Döndür.
Turn it.
Bu daha önce biraz çalışmış mı? Ne olmuş?
Did you try it before? It seems so.
Yes, I took a class in college.
What are you making?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing.
Döndür, hızlı. Aynı
Legs
zamanda
are too long and straight. Kelsey, I think you should finish her off.
Okay,
But
then
it
I'll
needs a
give it a
little
go.
Kelsey magic.
I actually just felt a lot of
Okay.
pressure sitting down. I'm used to being pretty good at things.
döndür.
Nothing to it, you know? Just a little finesse, you know? Tamam.
Tamam.
Congrats.
Do you love her?
I love it.
This was seriously so much fun. There's one more thing we have to get up to before we leave Cappadocia.
I'm so curious what you have planned.
Let's go.
Come on.
You know I love riding horses, and it's always been a dream of mine ever since playing here to be able to ride them in Cappadocia. This landscape on a horse was bucket list for me.
This area of Türkiye, it's been so beautiful to rediscover. I've seen it in photos, but I think seeing it in person, and especially in this light, has been incredible.
It doesn't get any more beautiful than this. Doing it with one of my good friends, on top of one of my favorite animals, in one of my favorite places, and I just feel like it's been a dream.
It has been so beautiful. I loved the cooking class. Just learning from the local people has been one of my favorite highlights of the trip.
Also, the setting of the cooking class was incredible. It just was such a beautiful place to cook. But this place, I feel for somebody who's an adventure lover, like this is the spot.
It really is.
You think you'll come back?
Of course, look at this light. I look great in this light.
This is straight magic from the sky right now.
Exactly.
I could look at this forever, but we have more to discover.
Yes.
Possibly a very relaxing bit of discovering.
Something a little slower pace.
Some water,
Yes, a little bit.
maybe some wine, some fish, some seafood,
Maybe a beach.
maybe Bojum.
I love it.
Let's go.